to my channel. This is Cook It Cousin, and this time I have my assistant, our partner in life, Ryan, who's on camera right now.
Who's silly.
Anyways, so for the video today, kung saan akong buhaton, since grabe naging kayo ka-boring. As in, ganina, nagkuhan me, I would play with the kids, paint me with the kids, and now the kids are watching movies, so medyo makarelax mo ka ron, so took this time to shoot a video. And, kining a video is basically magluto ni. We're about to cook
Family favorite!
yes, and this is a suggestion kay favorite ni Roel. So magluto ni og calamares. And then, aside from cooking, would like to take the chance to makatakol tag mga important issues like about the virus. So sa atong insights, sa atong mga ingon, matabang or suggestion to other people na makatabang ka society. So,
But this is, remember, this is a personal point of view, personal
yes,
opinion regarding,
everything,
it's a personal insight.
Everything iingon ako sa video is my opinion, Ryan's opinion. Does not affect anybody. So now, ako ang cooking na calamares. So, kanya itong mga ingredients. Unang-unang squid, that's the main ingredient. Second is a mixture of flour, cornstarch, and different seasoning. Like I just put black pepper, salt, or whatsoever. And of course, we need
Whatever suits you.
another set of salt and black pepper. And then we're gonna need the egg. Of course, it's very hard. Grabe kalisod pa panita sa egg. We all know the news na nag-spread online about egg will protect you from the said virus, but
Sumpa, besh. Sumpa.
guess I got it here.
Yuck.
Well, anyways, so mag-start na sa cooking. Let's start with the cooking. So first, this is very easy, and mind you guys, I'm not a very good cook. I also copied the recipe from YouTube, and I know we're all guilty of doing this. Like, YouTube is the ultimate helper.
Life guide.
There you go.
Bro.
Can you zoom the camera so the audience can see the recipe? First, we have to mix the salt into the squid and black pepper, and then you just mixed it all. And
Uy, nahugas na. Oh my God, sanitation.
Given the virus, karon, we all have to wash, not only when cooking, but
Every day. Like every 15 minutes.
you have to wash for 20 seconds. Na yung mga guidelines ang DOH. Yes!
Yes. Yup. Short advertisement. Continue.
Okay, now, ito na mix ang squid with salt and pepper. Set aside na to siya. Then, I'll be back. Ako lang i-prepare ang frying pan with the oil. So, upon coating the squid, ready na po na itong oil. So, latan na natin siya ma-fry. So, while waiting na ma-fry, heat ang ating oil, we could take this time to talk about certain issues like the virus.
Anything under the sun segment.
So,
Char.
yeah, I think given ang situation karon like grabe ang spread sa virus, and then knowing dili lang Pilipinas ang affected, like even first world country like Italy, grabe ang ilang kuan, South Korea, China, even the US is struggling with the virus. I mean,
Kudos to North Korea, but grabe no? They had to patayan.
what we really need, for me at least, in my own point of view, is we just have to follow the government. Like, helpless kay ta karon. It's no time for kining reklamo sa mga kasabot ko. I get the point. Natay lain-lain no needs. Sabot ko sa needs, pero I think we just have to trust the government karon. Like, they are the only people na ka-lead gani. Similar ra gyapon sa other countries like sa Japan or sa South Korea or they trust their government to remove steps. So that's it. Akong share or Ngayon this is not the time to fight, to argue with each other. I think this is the best time na we have to
Pray.
listen. Let's talk. I mean, what is 2 to 3 months in sacrifice? It was 2 to 3 months in return, everything will be back to normal.
Hopefully.
We could continue with our life. I know, ikaw, ako, me, I have a lot of things that I want to do with my life, with my kids, with my life, with Roem. Di ka kong plans. Ikaw mo dira nga watch. I know you feel the same. So let's ask ourselves, unsa lang ng 2 to 3 months of sacrifice na magstay sa balay, to enjoy and whatsoever. And anyways, back to cooking. So, open na itong egg. Kaya hapit na mag-boil ang atong oil.
Crack the egg.
And then so, to cut the topic about the virus ng COVID-19. I've read this, i-share sa akong friend, shoutouts to Carl Bantoy Lagos for sharing the post of Bill Gates. For me, the summary of the said post was katong post ni sulat ni Bill Gates. I think the summary was trying to tell us na unsay gibuhat sa virus ato. Then it's reminding us kung saan important the fact na namulit ka sa tumbalay, tanang gawas. Reminded us na it is the family that is truly important. And again, gi-remind ta nga bisag kinsa ka diri sa kalibutan, do whatever you want, sa ka powerful. At the end of the day, we're all equal. Given karon athletes, celebrities got infected by the virus, normal people, same procedure, same sakit, wala gipili ang virus. So it reminded us all nga walay leveling sa ato tanan, we're all the same. And also it reminded us nga the earth is sick.
Yes.
The earth is sick. The earth needs to recover. Mother Earth needs to recover. So I think this is the time na mag-heal siya. May mga reports, diba, sa nasa mga photos na the pollution, na kawala ang pollution, ang ozone layer recover. So I think sa ako, those are the top thing ang itak sa ko ang reminder ni Bill Gates. So at the end of the day, you just have to pray, follow whatever the government is saying. Stay at home, please. Before ko nag-start any vlog, I always remind my friends, family, stay at home. That is the only way ma-contain ang virus. Kasi if masalig ka sa what do you call that? Vaccine, nabasa-basa tayo. It could take 18 to a year to develop it. Also pag-distribute, so basta stay at home, agwanta lang kita. Alright, so back to cooking. So now ready na ang atong kuan. So what we do is kanya atong squid, ato siyang
Coat.
dip nato siya diri sa tanan para mapaspas atong trabaho diri sa atong flour and cornstarch. So there's an easy way to mixing it. Close siya.
Shake.
Silyado siya, so you just have to shake it.
Do the move.
Wait, be right back. Up. Also the camera. So this is the result.
Haha.
And then the purpose of the egg is I know nagkulang ta sa ingredients because diri karon sa Malaybalay is enhanced community lockdown na, so no public transportation available. Yo kapalit, kulang tag breadcrumbs sa akong recipe ni follow the breadcrumbs. Kaya after ni coating, dip siya sa egg, then breadcrumbs. Pero, just have to work whenever is available. So, stick with this. Whatever is available. So, ready na oil? Let's go, let's fry. Change soak sa egg.
That looks yummy. Can't wait.
This is my first time to make calamares. Hopefully,
I hope I'm gonna like it. Prayer. Praying. Woohoo!
Alright! Karon mga igala. So this is our finished product. Yup, can you focus on the food? So muna ni siya itong finished product.
Woohoo!
Product.
Yes.
Mimi?
I think so.
Lamig ka. Hala!
Char!
Pero anyways, muna itong finished product. Tapos nagbuhat na itong side dish ng mga crackers. And for the sausawan, muna ito nag-cut og onions and garlic and akong special weapon. Bacardi, sinamakan. So, muna ako nang gibuhat a few days ago. So, that's it. And that's the end of the video sa akong video for today. Thank you for watching and thank you love for doing me a favor for holding the camera up, for shooting, for being the video guy, for the
Videographer for the
whatever.
entire vlog.
And see you again next time for the next video, and like, subscribe, bye.